Are you looking for the best Apple Watch? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best Apple Watch on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen. If you have any doubt as to whether you should get an Apple Watch at all, the SE is Apple's entry-level option. Okay, so it isn't the most exciting Apple Watch. The SE series only gets updated every other year, rather than every year, and it doesn't have the latest standout health features, like the ability to check your skin temperature or your blood oxygen. The smaller, 1000 nit display is now very noticeable now that bigger, brighter screens have come to Series 9. Most regrettably of all, it does not have the next-gen ultra-wideband chip to precision locate your many other Apple devices. However, it is the most affordable of what Apple touts as its first carbon-neutral products, when bought in conjunction with the new Sport Loop, that is. It's compatible with watchOS 11, so you'll be able to take advantage of the new Vitals app, which will finally let you check your heart rate and respiration in a dashboard without hunting through the health or fitness apps. It has the last S8 chip, which is what the Series 8 has, and features like crash detection to call your emergency contact and emergency responders if you've been in a car accident, and are unresponsive for 10 seconds. It also has the newly redesigned Compass app, fall detection, and support for international roaming, and it works with family setup. It comes in a teeny 40mm case size, and the nylon back makes it even lighter. If you have an Apple Watch, everyone in your family wants an Apple Watch. The SE will serve you, your Nana, and your 9-year-old perfectly well. Number 2. Apple Watch Series 9. The Series 9 looks pretty much the same as last year's Series 8 but has the new S9 chipset, for faster onboard processing of Siri commands, which improves battery life noticeably and theoretically provides more privacy for your sensitive medical data. It also has a new feature called Double Tap, which borrows from Apple's accessibility learnings. The accelerometer, gyroscope, and optical sensor will detect the minute shifts as you tap your index finger and thumb on your watch hand twice to activate the primary button on your watch screen. It's nice for stopping and starting music or timers around the kitchen. The Series 9 has health sensors that the SE doesn't have, like ECG monitoring, blood oxygen sensing, and skin temperature sensing. It's also compatible with watchOS 11, which means you will be able to check the new Vitals app and training load, which is another feature Apple launched this year. For the first time, Apple will have a comprehensive algorithm that takes into account calorimetric data like heart rate and pace, to give you a comprehensive score on whether your fitness improved over the past 7 or 28 days and compare. Why it might be hard to find, in December, Apple decided to suspend sales of the Series 9, 7/10, Wired Review, and Watch Ultra 2 on Apple.com, pending an expected ban by the U.S. International Trade Commission. The federal agency is considering a ban because of a dispute over a patent for the technology that Apple uses in the newest watch model's blood oxygen sensor. On December 27, an appeals court paused the import ban when Apple filed an emergency appeal. The watches are currently back on sale sans the blood oxygen sensor. Number 3. Apple Watch Ultra 2. Do you want an Apple Watch that can replace your satellite messenger, your cycling computer, and your running watch? Then, my friend, the Watch Ultra 2, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, is for you. Like the Series 9, it has the new S9 chipset for faster processing and double tap and the new ultra-wideband chip for precision locating your phone, and it will be more sustainable when paired with the Alpine Loop strap or the Trail Loop. It also has a new, shockingly bright 3000 nit display. I didn't see a difference on a sunny day on the water, but you might, on a glacier somewhere. However, like the Series 9, many of the Watch Ultra 2's best new outdoor features are only fully apparent when you're also within reach of your iPhone. The touted offline maps are only visible on the watch when you download them on your iPhone and have it charged, and within Bluetooth range of the watch. If you start a cycling activity on your watch, it shows up as a live activity on your iPhone. Many of these features, along with the handy action button and the 3-mic array, are also available on last year's debut Watch Ultra. Again, if you bought a Watch Ultra last year, I would wait to upgrade. If this is your first, however, you will thoroughly enjoy the Watch Ultra 2. This is the watch to get if you love outdoor sports but also want the full functionality of a smartwatch, as long as you don't accidentally close the tab that tells you how to get back home. Why it might be hard to find. Apple decided to suspend sales of the Watch Ultra 2 and Series 9 on apple.com starting December 21st, and in its retail stores December 24th, pending an expected ban by the International Trade Commission. The federal agency is considering a ban because of a dispute over a patent for the technology that Apple uses in the newest watch model's blood oxygen sensor. On December 27th, an appeals court paused the import ban when Apple filed an emergency appeal. The watches are currently back on sale, sans the blood oxygen sensor. Number 4. Apple Watch Series 8. Shockingly, watchOS 11 is only compatible with the second gen of Watch SE and newer. RIP Watches Series 4, 5, and first gen SE. However, that makes every watch from the Series 6 on good to go. The Series 6 was the first Apple Watch to have blood oxygen sensing, and the ITC's ban does not affect it or the Series 7 or 8. If you can find it on sale, the Series 8 8/10 Wired recommends is a perfectly capable watch. It's compatible with watchOS 11, which is where most of the fun updates come in anyway. Unlike the Watch SE, it has all the health and safety hardware, like the improved accelerometer for crash detection to tell your loved ones if you're in a car accident, sensors for measuring your skin temperature and ECG and blood oxygen measuring. No, it doesn't have precision locating, but you can always ping your iPhone.